Hello everyone and welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to view Google Ads change history over time. You see, you can view the change history of your Google Ads account in several ways. The first way is by using the campaigns page. You need to navigate to the campaigns tab in your Google Ads account. Then you need to select the campaigns you want to view the change history for. Then click Change History in the blue panel that appears above the table. It's as simple as that. Now, the next thing you need to check, in this way you can do this is by using the Ad Groups page. Now, you can navigate to the Ads Group tab, select the ad group you want to view the change history for, and click Change History in the blue panel that appears above the table. Another simple way to do it. The third way to do it is using the dedicated Change History tool. You can just simply navigate to the Tools menu in your Google Ads account, select Change History, and this will provide you with a comprehensive log of all the changes made to your account, including date and time of the change, user who made the change, description of the change, campaign, ad groups, and access group where the changes were made. As simple as that. Now, what are the key features of the change history tool that we're talking about now? Filtering. So you can filter the change history by date range, user, and type of change. You can also use a key feature called reversing changes. In some cases, you can even revert certain changes made to your account. By utilizing these methods, you can easily track and understand the modifications made to your Google Ads campaigns, helping you to optimize your ad performance and gain valuable insights into your account history. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.